Well, uh, in today's class, okay, we are going to discuss about two important topics of Azure DevOps engineer. Because whenever you are trying to build or deploy any application through pipelines, these two are these two are the very playing very important role. Okay, what are the things? Okay, what are the important tools are? So uh, just the two things are, one is agent pool, second one is actually not two, three, service connection, third one is deployment groups. These three are the uh, have more importance when we are uh, building or deploying application through pipelines. Okay, in today's class, okay, in today's section, we are going to do a practical session on agent pool. Okay, so how the topics, I mean how the uh, how will the task will come on Azure DevOps, sorry, agent pools. Okay, so for example, so you will receive a uh, you will receive a task like kindly create a an agent pool and install image on it. Okay, so here the image is whatever it is a Linux or Windows or Mac OS, whatever it is. So they will request you to create an agent pool and install a server or install a service or install an image on agent pool. So they will they will give some prerequisites. Okay, so you have to create agent, you have to install uh, agent, I mean you have here the image or agent or whatever it is. Okay, s- service. Okay, so do not worry about it, but actually so we are calling it as a agent pool, right? So it is better to call them as agent. Okay, we are we are going to create an agent pool and install an agent on this agent pool. This is your uh, request, or this is your uh, task. But also they will give you some prerequisites. Okay, they can give you some prerequisites. The first one is the server details, in which server you are going to install the agent. Okay, server details or IP address, both are no problem. Okay, here the server is VM, and second one is they will give agent pool syntax. Agent pool syntax they will provide, or else there is a possibility so you can write your own agent pool name uh, with the help of your team leads or with the help of your higher authorities. For example, so in this case, so I am giving agent pool like, so I am going to create agent pool for dev environment. Okay, so what can I do? I will mention first organization name, underscore, then I could give project name, then I can give which type of uh, agent you are going to create, okay, or which type of agent you are going to create. I will give, I'm going to, as of now in this case we will see Linux and Windows both. So in first phase we are going to create Windows agent, so that is the reason I'm giving win underscore. What we are going to create, we are going to create agent pool, so that is the reason I am giving AP. This is the scenario what I used to use in explaining the with explaining the students. This is the this is the syntax which I follow. Okay, so here what we need one server or IP address details, and second one is the name of your agent pool. Okay, so let's do a practical session on this. So these two are the prerequisites. What are the requisites are virtual machine. So currently there are no VMs. Currently there are no VMs with us, so we are going to create VM as well. Okay, we will create VM and then we can uh, proceed with the other process. So for that, go to the Azure portal. Go to the Azure portal. Here you can search for virtual machine, or else you can click on this main menu. Here go to all resources, sorry, not all resources, all services. So here all services, what are the services are provided by Azure, all will be displayed here. Or else if you know the name, you can directly type here. Okay, so I know the name, right? So I want to create virtual machine, so I will try, I will type virtual, and here below you can get all the options. Select what which one you have to create. So click on virtual machine, click on create Azure virtual machine. So these are the basic details. We have to give some basic details. So remember, wherever there is a star mark, these fields you must fill. Okay. Initially, we need a subscription. Yes, my subscription is a free trial, so I will select the free trial subscription, and you have to give a resource group name, or else if you want to create a new one, you can create. So click on create new. I will give like win VMs. I will write, because it is a Windows VMs. I will going to create all Windows virtual machines in this virtual, what not virtual resource group. Okay, so click on OK. Now I have filled two fields which are required: subscription and resource group. Whenever I am trying to deploy this virtual machine, so that will be going to create in this particular subscription and in this virtual sorry resource group. Okay, next you have to give unique name for your virtual mission. Okay, I will give like uh, agent pool win server. Okay, I will give like that. Okay, this is my name for my virtual mission, and you have to select location wherever you want to uh, create this virtual machine. Okay, by default it is showing is a east to US. Yes, I will put at default, but Wherever you have more available regions, you can select that. No, not worry about it. But by default, I'm going to select East US because it is more flexible when compared to the others. uh, then availability zones, this currently for for us, so there is no need of these availability zones. It means what these availability zones will do, or it will going to create, you are going to create virtual machine, right? So this virtual machine will going to create in these below zones. We do not know exactly in which zone this virtual machine is going to create or deploy. uh, we do not know, but we have to select it when we are working with real-time projects. But currently I don't want to uh, select available jobs. I don't need this. So that's why I am going to select no infrastructure redundancy. It means virtual machine will be going to create in only one location, that's it, in only one data center, that's it. If when you trying to availability zones, this uh, virtual machine will going to create in multiple locations, in multiple availability zones, in multiple data centers. This is for just for backup, disaster recovery purpose. We are going to select that need. Okay, just okay. So currently I don't need that, so that's the reason I am selecting no infrastructure redundancy. Next, security type. So if you want to select multiple securities, yes, you can select it. But in this scenario, I'm going to create a standard one or trusted, whatever it is, based upon your requirement. But this is a basic level of security, so that's the reason I'm selecting it standard. But in real time, you could select remaining based upon the requirements. So next, what I'm going to do, I am going to create Windows machine, correct? I'm going to create Windows machine. So that is the reason I have to select the image in the sense it is a Windows or uh, Linux or Mac OS, whatever it is. You have to select that one here from here. Okay, so I'm going to select Windows 22. If you want to see more images, here the option below there is a see all images. Okay, so if you click on it, it will display all the images Azure will going to support. There are multiple images we have. So but currently I need only one, right? So that is the reason I will go with the default one. Oh god. Okay, I will fill again. Let's give it a agent pool Windows server is pulled. No redundancy zone. So here image I am going to create Windows, right? So that is the reason. So there are multiple images. Windows 22 is there, Windows 20 19 is there, Windows 2017 is there, whatever it is. Okay, but in current scenario, so I am going to uh, create Windows 2019 data center because it is a free service. There is no cost will be paid. uh, so that is the reason I am selecting this one. If you want to select remaining things, you can select. In next class we can see how to uh, create Ubuntu and deploy agent pool on this server as well. So this is select 664 because ARM64 is not available for this particular mission. Size, so here how much of configuration you want to use for this particular virtual machine, you can select here. So just here there is a see all sizes option, click on it. These are the all types of size details, or VM size details, memory site details. So which one is suitable for you? You can select that one. Okay. Currently, I will going with this one D2ASV4. It is consist of two CPUs and 8 GB of RAM. Okay, it is enough for us to practice and to all this thing. Just select it. Next, you have to give the username and password, because whenever you are going to log into this virtual machine, you have authentication, right? So that purpose you have to give the username and password. So my username is this one, and I will give password. And here you have to select some inbound rules, because uh, if you want to access this particular virtual machine with these details, you must need these inbound outbound ports. Okay, so I will going to select HTTP, SSH, whatever it is. So next, click on desk. By default, it will give some default desk. Okay, but if you want to add an extra desk or for your on-premises server, you can add here. Okay, currently I don't want to do anything here. I just kept as it is. Click on next, networking. Here, this is virtual network name, this is the subnet, and this is the public IP address name. So I don't want to touch anything here. I will select this one, because whenever you are going to uh, delete this particular virtual machine after use, automatically all the networks will be going to delete if you select this option. Okay, so click on next. Just nothing to do here as well as, so just next, click on next, next, and review and create. Just you have to select uh, only depend required stuff, that's it. So it will what do you call, this virtual machine will take 15 rupees per hour. Okay, this is the amount, 15 rupees 64 spice will be charged for this particular mission whenever we are using this. Okay, these are the details about it. Just click on create. So it will take some time, it will take some time. Let's wait for it. Yeah, fine. Now this virtual mission is created, deployed successfully. So how to see, so here you can click on go to resources. This this is our virtual mission details. This is your public IP address, and this is the resource group name where you are we are creating this. This virtual machine is running. This is the location. In this subscription, we have created this virtual machine. All the details of your server are this. In overview section, you could find every details about your virtual machine. Okay. Now let's let's discuss. I mean, let's install agent on this server. We could see in next session.